more waiting, only war.
Viewers, today I'm going to show you something absolutely amazing. This cinematic video you're watching right now was created using Seedance 2.0, and as you can see, the quality is incredibly dramatic, just like a real movie. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight into how you can create videos like this. First of all, go to YouTube and search for a channel called Greeny House Animation. You'll notice that this channel has around 80k subscribers, but the views on their videos are massive. And if we talk about estimated earnings, this channel is making around $600 to $700 per month. And it's fully monetized. Their niche is based on natural lifestyle and cinematic animal storytelling, especially dramatic content like gorilla scenes, King Kong-style battles, and emotional jungle stories. And the important thing is these types of videos are highly trending and viral. Right now, many of their videos are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views, which clearly shows the power of this niche. So today, I'm going to teach you how to create similar dramatic cinematic videos step by step. Now here's the best part. I have already generated a complete cinematic story prompt, including scene-by-scene text to image prompts, text to video prompts, and image to video prompts, which means you don't have to waste any time thinking or creating. From scratch, all you need to do is simply go to the description copy, all the scenes, and paste them after copying. Open Microsoft Word, create a new document, and paste all the prompts there to keep everything organized. Once your prompts are ready, we move to the most important part, the tool that will generate your entire movie-style video with just one click. Yes, just one click, and your full dramatic story video will be ready. So now, let's move on to that tool and start creating your cinematic video. First of all, open the website called Higgsfield. Now let me tell you something important. This is not just a normal AI website. This is currently one of the most trending AI platforms, especially for creators who want to produce high-quality cinematic content. And the reason behind that is simple. They are constantly releasing new, powerful next-level tools, not once in a while, but almost every few days. That's why this platform is growing so fast now. Let's explore it quickly. When you land on the website, you'll notice that everything is perfectly organized. You have image generation tools, video generation tools, audio tools, and voice creation tools. Basically, it's a complete all-in-one creative ecosystem. You don't need multiple websites anymore. Everything you need is right here. Now let me show you something. If I click on the image section, you can see there are so many powerful tools available for creating high-quality visuals, from realistic images to cinematic scenes. Everything is possible. Now if I switch to the video section again, multiple tools. But right now, the most powerful and trending tool is Seedance 2.0, and this is exactly what we're focusing on today. So let's open it. And here's the magic. You can see the option. Make video in one click. Now this is where things get interesting, because this tool gives you multiple creation methods, image to video choice-based storytelling, and most importantly, text to video. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a full cinematic story using text to video. So let's start step by step. I go to my document copy, my first cinematic prompt, and paste it into the prompt section. Now settings matter a lot here, so don't skip this part. I select aspect ratio 16:9 720p and fill the required settings. Then I click on Generate, and now the process starts. This usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the complexity, but trust me, the wait is worth it, because what you get in return is something that looks like a real movie scene. And here we go. Take a look at this. A powerful gorilla emerging from the jungle. The lighting, the atmosphere, the realism. This doesn't feel like AI anymore. This feels like a cinematic film shot. Now let's move to the next scene. I copy another prompt, paste its set duration to 8 seconds, and click Generate again. And once again, after processing, boom, another cinematic shot. Look at the eyes of the gorilla, the intensity, the emotion, The detail, this is exactly what makes content go viral. Now, here's the real strategy. You don't just generate one scene. You create a sequence of scenes. So I repeat the process, copy next prompt, paste, add voiceover if needed, and generate. And within a few minutes, multiple scenes are ready now. Let me show you the final result. All scenes combined. Action sequences, emotional moments, storytelling. And then the final emotional scene where it gently picks up its baby. This is what creates a complete cinematic experience. Now, what you need to do is very simple. Download all the generated scenes, combine them in sequence, add background music, and your full movie-style video is ready. Now, let's talk about something important. Pricing right now. Seedance 2.0 is available with around 55% discount, which makes it extremely affordable compared to the value it provides. They also offer Plus plans, Ultra plans, and Business plans. So if you're serious about content creation, this is actually the best time to start. Now let me be honest with you. The main purpose of this video was not just to show you a tool, but to show you an opportunity right now. Cinematic AI content is trending. Like crazy, channels are getting millions of views, massive reach and strong monetization, and you can do the same. And platforms like Higgsfield are making it easier than ever. Personally, I'm really impressed with how fast they are innovating new tools, better quality, faster results. This is the future of content creation. Now finally, let me show you the complete cinematic video preview. Just look at how smooth, dramatic and powerful it feels if you found value in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll keep bringing you more powerful AI tools and strategies.